neon orange, about 50% or 60%. Sorry, chỗ hiểu dịch. I'm gonna mix my powder so make it fluffy. Neon. You have whole collection, yes, Brazil. And then what we're gonna do is this one. We're gonna do is light nude, smaller beads. There's 1,000 ways to do ombre. So many different ways. I'm gonna do place the first bead. We'll place right closer, right above of where is your orange is end. I just really want to do the yellow suns with this orange. That'd be cool, huh? Right. Really gentle touch. Let's add just a little bit more to blend it. You're happy with this? What we're gonna do is put the crystal clear to blend it. Right in the middle of your light nude and orange. All right, so let it set.